Good morning, children. Good morning, every one of you. Good morning. Good morning, Arya. Yes, good morning, Akansha, Tanvi, everyone. Every one of you, good morning. Good morning, Vaishnavi. We'll start in like 2-3 minutes, bacho, because 67 students are there, only 30 students were added. Just we'll wait, okay? 2-3 minutes we'll wait and then we'll start, okay? Sir, first step of taxonomy. First step of taxonomy is identification. Identification, classification, and nomenclature. Okay. Zay, it's identification. Okay. Now I understood why you are asking this question. Because I explained with nomenclature, hai na? That's why you got confused, na? Hai na? Because actually आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए हम हमारे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हमारा टेक्स्ट बुक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एमएच बोर्ड टेक्स्ट बुक एंड एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में द आइडेंटिफिकेशन सेगमेंट है ना it is given last, so I followed the textbook pattern because there is a proper topic is there on that is nothing but taxonomic aids, and the taxonomic aid is completely for identification only, as it is given in the last like हमारा सीक्वेंस में लास्ट में दिया इसलिए आई एक्सप्लेन लास्ट सो आई रियली डोंट नो that because of that you will confuse this much. I am really sorry if you lost mark because of that. I am the responsible one for that. I am sorry for that. टैक्सोनॉमिक एड में क्या है, क्या में क्या है, क्या की है, क्या या टैक्सोनॉमिक एड में की इज वन ऑफ द टैक्सोनॉमिक एड, वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ आइडेंटिफिकेशन. Sir, in paper, characterization was the answer. Yeah. See, you are. See, you tell me. आप खुद ही बोलिए. How will you identify me? मैं आपको टीचर है ना. Almost like 1.5 months I am teaching ना. Now, how you will identify me? By seeing me, my characteristics. एक आदमी का कैरेक्टराइजेशन क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल राकेश सर इज देयर, आई एम देयर, आशीष सर है, कोई है, यू नो. फर्स्ट थिंग, हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई मी? अरे ये आदमी आया मतलब ओके, ही बिहेव लाइक दिस, ही स्पीक लाउड और ही स्पीक लेस. ओके, ये थोड़ा काला है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग. मैं फेयर एंड लवली यूज करेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आई नेवर यूज, मैं जोक करे, बट जस्ट बाय सीइंग माय मैनरिज्म्स, ओके, you are identifying me. So characterization, okay. So identification can be done by characterization. Otherwise, see, for example, how we see Rakesh sir is teaching biology only na beta, I am teaching biology only na. So now dono biology only, how are you differentiating? Tell me how you are differentiating me. So, biology, the way I teach, understanding it, the way I teach. Hey, no, don't discriminate. I am zoology teacher. Many times I told you I am zoology teacher. सो बिकॉज हमारा डिपार्टमेंट में बॉटनी पढ़ाने के लिए कोई नहीं, इसलिए आई एम बॉटनी ले रहे। बेसिकली आई एम ए जूलॉजी टीचर, सो आई एम जूलॉजी पर्सन, ओके। Okay, I am zoology teacher. And while I'm talking to you, someone asked one question. Kalpesh Beta asked, what is the difference between obligate saprophyte and facultative? Before obligate facultative, सब छोड़ दो. Saprophyte मतलब you should understand. You're understanding it. Saprophyte मतलब the organism which depends upon the dead and decaying organic matter, and that is called a sap. You're understanding it or not? That means बिरयानी है, वो भी बिरयानी खाता है, अंडरस्टैंड इट, हम भी बिरयानी खाएगा, एंड हमको गरम गरम बिरयानी पसंद आते हैं, वो हम भी वड़ा पाव खाएगा, हम गरम गरम खाता है, एंड दैट विल ईट जस्ट आफ्टर 10 days, पूरा रॉटन होने के बाद, एवरीथिंग कचरा कचरा होने के बाद उसको पसंद आते हैं, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सैप्रोब. नाउ कमिंग टू योर पॉइंट, ऑब्लिगेट सैप्रोब मतलब ऑप्शन नहीं है, इट हैज टू लिव लाइक ए सैप्रोब ओनली. It has to live like what? A saprobe only. Whereas facultative मतलब मिलेगा तो it will live as saprobe, नहीं मिलेगा तो it will go for another mode of nutrition. So it can be able to mold. And for example, I am there. Very simple. पक्का आपको समझ गया. Basically, I am a zoology teacher. Understand? Basically, I did my masters in my zoology, and I did my graduation in zoology, and I did my PhD. I started my PhD in zoology, but I left it in the middle because of career reasons. I can't be able to tell you everything. So I did my PhD. I started my PhD also in this zoology. Understand? But see, but right now need hai to become a botany faculty. Understanding it? So I am molding myself. A zoology faculty is molded to what? Botany faculty. That means what? Facultative. I am facultative. No. Offer nahi hai, kuch bhi nahi hai. I will be like a zoology faculty only. Either opportunity hai to मैं करेगा, नहीं तो मैं दूसरा जगह जाएगा. That means compulsorily he will ask for only what? Zoology. Then that is called as what? Obligate. समझ में ना? I think you understood. Yes, modern. And one more student, Pranav is asking. Pranav, I think so, he's my student only, na? That 8th class, 9th class mein, I think so, I thought. Pranav, you are the one. You are the one. Yeah, then he is my favorite, huh? छोटा छोटा बैग लेके ना, इतना इतना चश्मा पहन के, you know. So Pranav, you don't know him, but I saw him when he is small. Okay, so बहुत cute लगते हैं. Understand? I love my children. Okay, so good, you asked after so long. I am seeing question from you. What is your question? In modern taxonomic studies, ecological, yes beta, yes, modernly they're taking this into consideration. Yes. या स्क्रीन में और एक क्वेश्चन आया, आस्क्ड बाय ज्ञानेश्वरी. करेक्ट बाइनोमियल एपिथेट ऑफ गार्डन पी इज पाइसम सेटाइवम. व्हाट इज दैट बच्चों? पाइसम सेटाइवम. if you want that subspecies also Paisum sativum lin. Understanding it? But Paisum sativum is a perfect answer. Paisum sativum garden pea. वो क्या बोलते हैं? वटाना बोलता है ना, वटाना. दैट ग्रीन कलर, वो ग्रीन कलर. या क्षितिजा, यस दैट ग्रीन कलर, दैट पुलाव में बनाता है ना, दैट पुलाव, दैट ग्रीन पी. ओके, it's already 10 बच्चों. I think we need to start. We waited enough. Okay, so yeah, I already told you na, if binomial nomenclature, if it is given, then A must be the answer. No pura name, but even if you include everything, then Paisum sativum lin is the correct answer. Understanding it? But in the given question, pura, see, I think you are confusing, or the way I am telling it is confusing, I don't know. Only binomial nomenclature is Paisum sativum. No, उसको पूरा binomial और पूरा nomenclature name है ना, उसको what I call Pisum sativum lim. Okay, पूरा name Pisum sativum lim, but only if you take no ये सब छोड़ो, only biological epithet लेते Pisum sativum. Okay. बच्चों I think नहीं, we have to start because it's 10. Okay, 15 minutes खत्म हो गया, so we have to start. So in the last classes, okay, I started Kingdom Monera. Understanding it? In the Kingdom Monera में I explained about the characteristics. आपने बोला आपको समझ में आया. Understanding it? But still, if you have any questions, you please ask me. I will answer all your questions. Okay. What is this? Kalpesh again send me one question. Better, why don't you send in this what do you call group na? See, basically, bachon, I am telling not only to Kalpesh, I am telling to everyone, my classes will be completed by 4:30. After 4:30, you send me any doubt. See, अभी मुझे screenshots भेज रहे हैं ना, the same screenshots you take and put it in the group. I will after 4:30. Before 4:30, don't expect bachcho, because continuous classes are there. Okay, I have 7 hours classes. I think many times I told you, per day I'll take 7 hours classes. Okay, 7 hours. Okay, so after 4:30 I will answer every question of you, but right now it's already 10. Please don't mind, we will start explaining. Okay, please send it in the group. Kalpesh, if I'm sorry if I really disappoint you. Okay, but time ho gaya, please understand. Okay, don't take it another way. Time 10 हो गया ना इसलिए. Okay, now let us take the structure of and one more thing, I will answer only after 4:30. Before 4:30, don't expect answer from me. Okay, it's impossible because classes में one way class and other way I can't type your vertical answer na. So please. Okay, now the last classes, the previous, that means the last week classes में I started the Monera kingdom or first kingdom. 5 kingdoms are there na: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. इसमें the first kingdom is nothing but what? Monera, which is also called as Prokarya. Okay, prokaryota also you can write, there is no problem. Now if you take the Monera, first topic what I explained is the characteristics of Monera, and बाद में I started classification of Monera. The Monera, it is classified into 3 major groups and 3 minor groups. Major groups are nothing but Eubacteria, Archaebacteria and Cyanobacteria. Now I started Eubacteria, and Eubacteria characteristics पूरा का पूरा मैंने explain किया. Now I am explaining about the structure of Eubacteria, or directly you can call it as prokaryotic cell. So let us take the structure of prokaryotic cell. बच्चों, if you take, मान लो this is one bacteria, example के लिए बोल रहे बच्चों, मान लो this is one bacteria. Okay, this is one bacteria. Okay, now if you take this bacteria में the first layer, the very first layer of this particular bacteria is nothing but glycocalyx. बच्चों, what is it बच्चों? Glycocalyx. That means the first layer of any bacterial cell is nothing but glycocalyx. Understanding it? Now Students, I'm very, very sorry. Actually, today is Thursday ना. MID, I live in MIDC ना. इसमें power cut होता है हर एक Thursday. Okay. So a small interruption happened due to power cut. Okay. Now, whatever it is, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but I did not do anything. Okay. Now, let us take one bacterial cell. एक bacterial cell में लेता है. That bacteria cell, if you take the bacteria में the first layer of the bacteria, the पहले layer of the bacteria, it is called as what? Glycocalyx. What is that बच्चों? Glycocalyx is the first layer of the bacterial cell. And थोड़ा नीचे glycocalyx के नीचे और एक layer will be there, and this layer which is present just below the glycocalyx, and this layer हम बोलते हैं cell wall. What is that बच्चों? Cell wall. And just below the cell wall one more layer will be there, and that one more layer it is called as plasma membrane. What is that बच्चों? Plasma membrane. Now tell me बच्चों, the body of the prokaryote, it is covered by the first layer. What is the first layer that is present in the body of the prokaryote? For example, हमारा body में, I'm talking about हमारा body, the first layer is nothing but what? Epidermis. बाद में dermis आएगा. Understanding it? हमारा skin है ना? Now you take the skin. Skin में the first layer is nothing but what? Epidermis. बाद में dermis आएगा. Correct है ना? Like that. Prokaryote body also, the first layer it is nothing but glycocalyx, and the second layer it is nothing but what? Cell wall. Okay, and the next layer it is nothing but what? Plasma membrane. And this is cell wall, glycocalyx, the glycocalyx, cell wall plus plasma membrane together called as cell envelope. इधर तक point number 1 समझ में ना बच्चों? Point number 1 तक समझ में ना? The body of the prokaryote is covered by three layers. The first layer it is called as what bachcho? Glycocalyx. Second layer is nothing but what? Cell wall. And the third layer is nothing but what? Plasma membrane. And ye glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane, all the three together. Children, okay, you told S also. Okay, now the second portion, the second structure. ओके, सेल का बाहर हो गया. सेल का अंदर क्या है ना? सेल का अंदर यू कैन बी एबल टू साइटोप्लाज्म. इट इज कॉल्ड एज. नाउ सी genetic material. Again, genetic. No, I think no. Oh, voice is breaking. Okay. मैं लॉग इन लॉग आउट करेगा. प्लीज डोंट माइंड. ओके. Now my voice is clear now at least. Okay. Now I think. Okay. Now bachcho, the second portion, yeah, cell envelope. Akansha, you are correct. Cell envelope is equal to glycocalyx plus cell wall plus plasma membrane. Okay. Now the second portion of the prokaryotic cell is nothing but cytoplasm. Cell ka andar you can be able to say a fluid part, and the fluid part that is present in the cytoplasm is called, the fluid part that is present inside the cell is called as cytoplasm. Again, that cytoplasm mein you can be able to see genetic material, ribosomes and inclusions. Ribosomes and what bachcho? Inclusions. And the third part, it is nothing but flagella. दिख रहे ना बच्चों? ऐसा. Understand? Now the body ka upar you can see bristle like structures. दिख रहे ना बच्चों? These are bristle like structures, and these bristle like structures which are present on the body, they are called as pilus and fimbriae. What is that बच्चों? Pilus and fimbriae. So these are the parts that are present in the cell of a prokaryote. Okay, समझ में आना children? Okay, and every part, for example glycocalyx, cell wall, everything we need to explain so clearly. Okay, now shall we go for the first one, or you wanted to ask anything in this first one? Glycocalyx mein chalu karu. Yes sir, please repeat the third point. The third point, the third part is flagella. Flagella मतलब दिख रहा है ना आपको इधर long thread जैसे. This is a long thread जैसे. This is a long thread. Okay, this is a long thread like structure which helps in the locomotion of the bacteria. Bacteria locomotion, that means in movement of the bacteria में this part will be used, and that is called as flagella. Okay, third part मैंने repeat किया क्षितिजा. Also fourth part, the fourth part is see आप this is bacteria. see दिख रहा है ना आपको बैक्टीरिया बॉडी का ऊपर हेयर जैसे, see ऐसा हेयर जैसे structures you have seen ना, and this hair like structures are called as pili and fimbriae. They are called as what? Pili and fimbriae. आकांक्षा समझ में ना बेटा? They are the hair like structures. Bristle like structure. Toothbrush mein you can be able to see bristles na, that bristle like structures are present which helps in attachment. Sir, very good, they are present sir. What they will do? They helps in attachment. Okay, now wait, I'll explain everything, you don't worry, I am here na, I will explain everything. Okay, structure, it is nothing but cell envelope. Again the cell envelope, it includes three parts. What are the three parts? वेट बेटा, आई विल टेल साक्षी, थोड़ा वेट करना है बिकॉज वन आफ्टर वन, एक पार्ट का बाद एक पार्ट. ओके, एक पार्ट का बाद एक पार्ट. ओके, फिम्ब्रिए पाइले क्या करेगा वो, व्हाट दे विल डू, एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल. ओके ओके सर, वी हैव टू राइट. यस वी हैव टू राइट, वी हैव टू है ना, यू हैव टू राइट नोट्स. ओके नाउ, okay now if you take the cell wall again, cell envelope, again the cell envelope, it has three parts. What are the three parts? Glycocalyx, cell wall, and the next one is what? The plasma membrane. Now let us take, I already sent Parshva, I think you are not in the group, or I don't know, in the group में you did not check. Munira notes में भेज दिया already. Munira notes में already दिया. Okay, now let us take glycocalyx. Okay, is this glycocalyx the first part of the cell envelope? But the glycocalyx, please understand, don't get confused. Now glycocalyx, okay, now in some bacteria, please understand, in some bacteria it is very thin and loose. It is very thin and loose. Okay, बहुत लूज रहेगा and thin, बहुत पतला ही रहेगा. Understanding it? And if the glycocalyx is very loose and thin, then that glycocalyx, it is called as slime layer. It is called as what? Slime layer. Now tell me बच्चों, what the glycocalyx is present loosely and very thin, पतला है and loose है. The glycocalyx, if it is present loose and thin around the prokaryotic cell, and that glycocalyx, it is called a slime layer. Okay, whereas the same lime nahi slime. Okay, it's not lime, it's slime. Okay, now the same glycocalyx in some bacteria, if it is present very thick, it is very thick and hard. If the glycocalyx is thick and hard, then that is called as capsule. It is called as what? Capsule. Now tell me बच्चों, what is the difference? Difference क्या है? Slimy layer and capsule. दोनों glycocalyx only. They both are glycocalyx only. But दोनों को फर्क क्या है? दोनों में अंतर क्या है? Slimy layer is loose. Yes. Capsule is thick and hard. Yes. Sushmita, perfect. Okay, bachcho. Now, the bacteria which is surrounded by capsule, अंडरस्टैंडिंग है? कैप्सूल है ना, द बैक्टीरिया विच इज हैविंग, अगेन डोंट आस्क मी कैप्सूल, जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू कैप्सूल मतलब थिक एंड हार्ड ग्लाइकोकेलिक्स. ओके, नाउ द बैक्टीरिया विच इज सराउंडेड बाय कैप्सूल इट इज कॉल्ड एज कैप्सुलेटेड बैक्टीरिया. विच बैक्टीरिया बच्चों? कैप्सुलेटेड बैक्टीरिया. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द phagogenic, sir, what is the meaning of phagogenic bacteria? What is the meaning of phagogenic bacteria bachcho? They are parasitic bacteria. They are what? Parasitic bacteria. Most of the sorry, most of the parasitic bacteria, they are capsulated bacteria only. They are what? Capsulated. Okay, now idhar tak 3 points tak any doubts are there? But 3 points tak any doubts are there? No? Okay, very good. Then I'll take the fourth point. Now glycocalyx, it is a glycoprotein layer. Sir, what is the meaning of glycoprotein layer? Glycocalyx, it is made up of glucose and also proteins. Glucose and proteins dono present na, that's why it is called as glycoprotein layer. Okay, okay, समझ में ना चिल्ड्रन? ग्लाइकोकेलिक्स है ना, it is made up of glucose and proteins. Glucose proteins दोनों हैं, it is called as glycoprotein layer. Understanding it or not? Where in this glycocalyx capsule, it is made up of polysaccharides and polypeptides. Polysaccharides मतलब carbohydrates and polypeptides मतलब proteins. Whereas slimy layer, it is made up of only polysaccharides. That is the reason why phagogenic means what? Parasitic. That means the bacteria which live as a parasite, that is called as phagogenic bacteria. The bacteria which live on others. Okay, now the next one, the capsule, it is made up of both proteins and also carbohydrates. But slimy layer, it is only made up of what? It is only glycoprotein matlab glucose and also protein. Glycoprotein, glyco matlab glucose and protein, that means protein. Okay, glycoprotein, glucose and also proteins dono present, that means carbohydrates are also present and proteins are also present. That's why it is called as glycoprotein layer. Kalpesh, समझ में है ना? Yes, perfect, perfect. Now the glyco stands, yeah, glucose or carbohydrate, you can write. Basically glycose means sugar beta. Gaurav, what you want me to explain again? Okay, I think glycoprotein only. Beta, glycoprotein matlab glycose, basically glycose means sugar. Sir, what is the meaning of sugar? Sugar matlab carbohydrates. What is the meaning of sugar? Carbohydrates. And protein, what is that? Protein. You understand? So glycoprotein, that means sugars, that means carbohydrates and some proteins, दोनों साथ में है ना, इसलिए it is called as glycoprotein. At least now you understood, children? At least now it is understood, it is clear, or doubt से, or doubt से क्या? Yes, understood. Whereas this glycocalyx, which is a glycoprotein, if you take the slimy layer में the, और कितना बार बोलूं क्षितिजा? Phagogenic matlab it lives on others. Okay, like the bacteria which depends upon others. The bacteria which depends upon others. Okay, parasitic or symbiotic, whatever it may be. Glycolysis क्या रिलेशन है? There is no relation, आकांक्षा. There is no relation. Glycolysis तो पूरा अलग का बात है, that we will discuss later. Okay, it's not at all similar. Okay, glycocalyx is a first layer of the bacteria. Understood beta? Now the next one is capsule. It is made up of both proteins and also carbohydrates, whereas slimy layer, it is made up of only carbohydrates. That is the reason why slimy layer, as it is made up of only the carbohydrates, the slimy layer is very thin and very soft, very loose. Understanding it? Now you, yeah beta, glycolysis is completely alag ka baat hai. Okay, इट इज अ रेस्पिरेटरी प्रोसेस, सो छोड़ दो अभी. ओके, या does that means for, yeah obviously yes Vivek, yes you are 100% correct, you are 100% correct. Because of the presence of proteins only capsule is very tough. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इतना टफ नहीं रहेगा, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इतना टफ नहीं रहेगा अनलेस वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा तो वट इतना यूजुअली दे वोंट बी इतना टफ. ओके चिल्ड्रन, now what are the functions of glycocalyx? Glycocalyx, it helps in colony formation. बच्चों colony formation मतलब क्या है? Making like a group. Understand? Glycocalyx क्या करेगा ना, it makes the what do you call bacteria to make a colony. That means साथ में जिंदगी जीने के लिए मौका देता है. Understanding it or not? So glycocalyx का द्वारा they can make अच्छे से colony मतलब few people, few bacteria, they start living at a same place, then that is called as colony formation. Okay, okay children, colony formation समझ में है ना. Whereas second point, the bacteria with the help of glycocalyx it can be able to tolerate the phagocytic engulfment by WBC. बच्चों ये पॉइंट थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना है, अदरवाइज मैं बोल रहा है ना, आई एम टेलिंग ना, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. Second point, this point you have to listen carefully, otherwise you don't understand. Okay, this point you please listen carefully. बच्चों in our body there are RBCs, WBCs and also what blood platelets. So there are three types of blood cells. How many types of blood cells बच्चों? Three types of blood cells. One RBC, that means erythrocytes बोलता है, and second one is nothing but बच्चों white blood cells, उसको बोलता है leukocytes. Whereas the last कॉलोनी फॉर्मेशन मतलब मान लो फ्यू बैक्टीरिया, मान लो 10 बैक्टीरिया नहीं तो 20 बैक्टीरिया, इफ दे स्टार्ट लिविंग टुगेदर एंड दैट ग्रुप का हम बोलते हैं कॉलोनी. विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स दे कैन मेक कॉलोनीज, they can make what? Colonies. Okay Pranav, very good. Now thoda come to the second point, because second point is very important point. If you don't listen carefully na, you don't understand. So that's why second point है ना, second function थोड़ा ध्यान से. हमारा blood है ना, हमारा खून है ना. Now if you take हमारा blood, that blood में 3 cells will be there. What are the 3 cells? The first cell it is nothing but RBC, हम बोलते हैं उसको erythrocytes बोलता है. Second cell it is called as a WBC, WBC का हम बोलते हैं leukocytes बोलता है. And the third is nothing but blood platelets, and the blood platelets are called as a thrombocytes बोलते हैं. What is that बच्चों? Thrombocytes. So there are 3 blood cells. Okay, how many blood cells बच्चों? 3 blood cells. That's why blood is also a tissue. Really, I'm not joking. Blood is a tissue. but it is a fluid tissue. Understand? I'm not joking बच्चों. एनिमल, मान लो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा तो डोंट वरी, इन योर 11th क्लास ओनली, इन योर 11th क्लास ओनली एनिमल टिश्यू में यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ब्लड इज नथिंग बट फ्लूइड टिश्यू. इट्स अ फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. अंडरस्टैंड इट? टिश्यू ओनली, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लूइड. हाँ, गंगा जैसे बहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट और नॉट? सो गंगा जैसे बहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? बट इट इज ऑल्सो टिश्यू. Okay, sir will explain clearly, no problem, you don't worry. Okay, now this टिश्यू में द WBCs आर देयर ना. मान लो मेरा बॉडी में एक बैक्टीरिया गया, एग्जांपल के लिए मेरा बॉडी में बैक्टीरिया गया, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो, दिस व्हाइट ब्लड सेल्स उसको पकड़ के, बच्चों हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नोटिस्ड इट, वेरी कॉमन थिंग, इफ यू हैव स्मॉल व्हाट आई कॉल ब्रदर, इफ यू हैव स्मॉल सिस्टर, यू गिव देम व्हाट आई कॉल गुलाब जामुन. आप सिंपल थिंग, यू गिव देम गुलाब जामुन एंड यू आस्क मी, अरे मुझे भी थोड़ा देना, मतलब वो क्या करेगा? छोटा बच्चों, यू आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट 3-4 years किड, थोड़ा ग्रोन अप मतलब आधा देता है, मजा नहीं आता. अंडरस्टैंड? छोटा बच्चों को, 3-4 years बच्चों को, दे यू गिव 1 गुलाब जामुन, अरे मुझे भी थोड़ा देना, मतलब वो क्या करेगा? दे विल एट वंस पुट इट इन द माउथ एंड हाथ दिखा के ना कुछ भी नहीं है बोलते हैं. हमें करेक्ट और नॉट है ना? वो तुरंत वो इधर ऐसा मुंह पे रख के ऐसा बोलते हैं. हमें करेक्ट और नॉट? दैट मीन्स व्हाट? इसमें क्या, एट वंस if the bacteria it is kept in the mouth of the RBC, mouth मतलब बच्चों मैं example के लिए WBCs don't have any mouth, understanding it, WBCs are like this, okay, this WBC अचानक at once, gradually nahi, at once it is taking this particular bacteria into it and kill it, जैसा पकड़ के मारेगा, understanding it, then that is called as what, it is called as what, phagocytosis. What is that बच्चों, phagocytosis, it is called a phagocytosis. सर who will write phagocytosis? सर नाम सुनने में मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा है सर, I don't write, okay, don't write. Engulfment you can write ना, at least you can write engulfment, you can write ना. Phagocytosis लिखेगा तो I'll be so happy because that is a technical word, that phagocytosis is a technical word. ओके सर phagocytosis I don't write sir, मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा है, then at least write engulfment. Okay, but I, sir, what you vote, being a teacher, what you vote for? I vote for phagocytosis only because phagocytosis is the asli name. Okay children, second point, I don't worry about the first point because first point everyone will understand. I want only second point, if you understood or not. Second point only I'm my focus because that is thoda difficult point, clear? Okay, so with the help of glycocalyx the bacteria can be able to escape intelligently, it can be able to escape that particular phagocytosis from bacteria. Okay children, now the glycocalyx makes, okay, makes this bacteria, the मान लो this is one surface. Okay, this is one surface, okay, this is one surface. Now the bacteria can be able to attach to this. Adhere means attachment, attachment बच्चों, it can be able to adhere means what, attach to any environmental surface. मान लो this is a surface, on this bacteria it चिपकता है with the help of glycocalyx. So glycocalyx it is meant for even attachment of bacteria to any surface. Okay, so first and third points are easy, second point only. Okay, glycocalyx सबको समझ में आना children, or you wanted to ask anything from glycocalyx? सबको glycocalyx समझ में आना children? Okay, yes, very good. Now second point, what is second point? Is glycocalyx sticky? Yeah, little sticky only. Second point, what is second point you are telling? Oh, okay, second point, second point matlab देखो, some bacteria they can be able to escape from WBC because WBC है ना, it has a capacity that it can be able to eat the bacteria at once, and the process of engulfing the bacteria at once, that is called as phagocytosis. With the help of glycocalyx the bacteria can be able to escape that particular engulfment. Understood बेटा? बेटा समझ में ना? और एक बार बोलूं मैं, बेटा समझ में ना? The bacteria can be able to escape that eating, that attacking and eating है ना, that can be able to it can be able to escape by this glycocalyx. Understanding it? Okay, now बच्चों the second part, बच्चों the second part is nothing but cell wall. Okay, the cell wall, if you take the bacteria cell wall, it is made up of a substance called as peptidoglycan. What is that बच्चों? Peptidoglycan. The cell wall is made up of a what do you call substance, वो substance का नाम क्या है बच्चों? Peptidoglycan, which is also called as murin, which is also called as what बच्चों? Murin. Okay बच्चों समझ में ना? It is a kind of what? It is a kind of substance. For example, I'll tell you easily. The plant cell wall it is made up of a substance called cellulose. Like that, the bacterial cell wall it is made up of a substance called as peptidoglycan. That's it. I think now you understood. Than earlier, I think so. Now you understood better. The plant cell it is made up of cellulose. Bacterial cell it is made up of peptidoglycan. Okay, such peptidoglycan, if you take that peptidoglycan, it is made up of what? Polysaccharides and proteins. Amino sugars matlab proteins बच्चों. Don't think otherwise. Amino sugars matlab proteins. Okay. Now If you take the first one, polysaccharides, the polysaccharides, it may be glucose, or it may be mannose, or it may be galactose. Glucose, mannose, or galactose, understanding it. Whereas if you take the amino sugars, the amino sugars are NAG and NAM. Sir, what is this, sir? आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? NAG मतलब N acetyl glucosamine. What is that, बच्चों? N acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. So these are the amino sugars, and glucose, mannose, and galactose are the polysaccharides that are present in the peptidoglycan. Understood, bachcho? And here I wanted to tell you one important, sir. N means no, what again? Nicotine. I think N, it is a position. I think so. Okay, इतना केमिस्ट्री मुझे तो पता नहीं. आई डोंट नो इतना केमिस्ट्री. मुझे बायोलॉजी पता है, बट केमिस्ट्री आई डोंट नो. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. ओके, now you understood bachcho peptidoglycan, and here I want to tell you one point. What is that point? You know, the amino sugars है ना, but बापरे बच्चों, will you believe me or not, at least 4-5 times asked. बच्चों कितना, एक बार नहीं, at least in your NEET exam 4 to 5 times asked question. So I am asking you now, I'm sixth time I'm asking you, okay, what are the amino sugars that are present in the cell wall of bacteria or in the peptidoglycan? Tell me. 5-6 times asked question, bachcho. Very important question. Which are the amino sugars that can be seen in the peptidoglycan of bacteria? Very important. Yes, NAM and NAG. मुझे पता नहीं what is the meaning of NAM. NAM मतलब क्या बच्चों? N-acyl muramic acid. N-acetyl muramic acid. So NAG मतलब क्या है? N-acetyl glucosamine. 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 Okay, children? Children, okay? मैं कुछ confusions, you wanted to ask something? कुछ queries वगैरह कुछ है क्या? No, everyone are telling okay. So no problem. Okay. Now the next one, along with the polysaccharides and amino sugars, along with the polysaccharides and also amino sugars, the cell wall also consisting of some other chemicals in lesser portion. What are the some other chemicals? Some, they consisting of diamino pymalic acid. What is that? Diamino pymalic acid. Understanding it. Whereas the next one is muramic acid, and the third one, it is called as teichoic acid. So these are the other chemicals. These are the other chemicals which are present in small portion. Which are present in what? A small portion. Mein this chemicals are also can be seen in the cell wall, but mainly the cell wall, it is made up of polysaccharides and amino sugars, and these three are the chemicals. They are present in a small portions. Okay, otherwise I'll tell you in easy way, पक्का समझ में आएगा. मान लो, if you take the cell wall 95% it is made up of what? Polysaccharides and amino sugars, and only 5% it is made up of what? Diamino pymalic acid and muramic acid and teichoic acid. Abhi samajh, I think now you understood than earlier. I think now you got clarity. Okay, now इधर तक समझ में ना? मैं सच बोलिए, इधर तक सच में समझ में ना? इधर तक you understood? Okay, पक्का. I can go to the next point. Okay, someone are asking one second बच्चों, please, 1 second. Now, sorry, I explained third point. The third point is, बच्चों, again I am telling you, cell wall है ना? Cell wall, it is made up of a substance called as peptidoglycan. Okay, and this peptidoglycan, it is mainly made up of polysaccharides and amino sugars. Okay, and along with the polysaccharides and also what amino sugars, very less amount of what diamino pymalic acid and muramic acid and teichoic acids are also present. मान लो 100% of cell wall. Let us take example. Because you asked again, that's why I'm telling for your understanding sake. इसमें 95% it is made up of what polysaccharides and amino sugars. Only 5% it is made up of what diamino pymalic acid and muramic acid and teichoic acid. Now समझ में आना बच्चों? Now समझ में आना बच्चों? Don't use 95%. No. I told only for your understanding. No, 95% ये I told only for your understanding. Don't think that sir told मतलब पक्का 95%. नहीं बच्चों. No, it changes. Sometimes it may be 99% also. I told only for your understanding, क्षितिजा. Only for your basic understanding के लिए मैंने बोला. To be frank, अभी तक no one knows the percentage. कितना percentage है? Okay? Yeah, they're not exact. They're like अंदाज क्या हिंदी वर्ड है? मुझे भी हिंदी धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं. Understanding? अंदाज में बोल रहे हैं. Understanding? I told for your understanding, so don't take it for granted. Okay? Now इधर तक everyone understood? इधर तक any confusions? इधर तक any confusions? Okay, no? Okay, very nice. Now usually बच्चों if you take bacteria है ना, 99% of bacteria, बच्चों कितना 99% of the bacteria, their cell wall it is made up of peptidoglycan only. कितना 99% of the bacteria, their body it is made up of what? Peptidoglycan. But exceptionally less than 1% of the bacteria, they consisting of cellulose as their cell wall material. That is a wonder. Understanding it? Tell me, all the bacteria, their cell walls are made up of dash. In 99%, more than 99% of the bacteria cell walls are made up of dash. Yes, whereas less than 1% of bacteria like Acetobacter, Acetogenium and Acetobacter xylinum and Zymosarcinum, and these are the bacteria, में the cell wall it is made up of what? Cellulose. Understood बच्चों? That means less than 1% of the bacterial cells, the cell walls are made up of what? Cellulose. ये point समझ में ना children? इधर तक this point इधर तक समझ में ना? No need to hesitate. You can ask any question. Okay? I am telling you, बार बार बोल रहे बच्चों. I treat you are like my children only. Feel free to ask anything. Like, don't need to hesitate. Okay? Like how you behave at home, like that behave in the class. Okay? आराम से बात करो. Okay? Okay. Repeat cellulose. Okay, क्षितिजा सुनो. If you take bacteria, 99% of bacteria cell wall are made up of only peptidoglycan, but exceptionally very less number of bacteria like Acetobacter acetesium and Acetobacter xylinum and also Zymosarcina. These are the bacteria में the cell wall it is made up of cellulose. That means these are the exceptional cases of the cell walls of bacteria. क्षितिजा समझ में ना चल रहा बेटा? और एक बार बोलना है क्या क्षितिजा? Why she is not answering? I think she did not understand. Kshitija, समझ में नहीं आया? Okay, I think she understood now. Now the next one, बच्चों थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो. The next point, last point. This is the last point. Now the last point थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो. There is an enzyme. बच्चा, I'll tell you very easily. I'll tell you. How many of you are coming from village background? Pura village background. I am talking about complete village background, not even modified towns. No. I want like completely, sir. बहुत छोटा village है. इसमें मान लो, इसमें I am coming from complete very small village. Understanding it? Very small village से मैंने आया. Understanding it? Now आपका village में किसी को चोट लगेगा तो क्या करेगा? Someone, if they got small cut, understanding it, खेत में कुछ कट हुआ, immediately what they will do ना, they will put their saliva. Turmeric नहीं, वो घर पे तो turmeric रखेगा, नो नो नो, टर्मरिक घर पे, वो बाहर खेत में है, इमीडिएटली व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल पुट देयर सलाइवा, करेक्ट? वाई बोलिए? ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू डोंट टेल आई एम देयर, आई विल टेल, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट वाई, क्यों? नो, वो एनिमल्स करते हैं। हाँ या एनिमल्स करते हैं, या किल जेम्स, या काइंड ऑफ शैल आई टेल, मैं बोलू क्या? हमारा सलेवा में देर इज एन एंजाइम कॉल्ड एज लाइसोजाइम। अरे स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक, मैं एक्सपेक्ट किया मैं कुछ तो टाइपिंग मिस्टेक करेगा, टाइपिंग मिस्टेक किया बच्चों, लाइसोजाइम, सॉरी लाइसोजोम लिखा बच्चों, इट्स टाइपिंग मिस्टेक। बेसिकली मैं थोड़ा स्पीड टाइप करता है ना, इसलिए ये गलती हो गया। लाइसोजाइम, व्हाट इज दैट? लाइसोजाइम, ओके, लाइसोजाइम, ओके। हमारा सलाइवा में देर इज अ काइंड ऑफ एंजाइम दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लाइसोजाइम। दिस लाइसोजाइम क्या करेगा ना, मान लो दिस इज अ ग्लास प्लेट में you take all the bacteria and you put some lysozyme enzyme, then what happens, you observe after 10 minutes, क्या मजा आएगा ना आपको, all these particular bacteria cell walls are gone because lysozyme can be able to dissolve the cell walls of the bacterial cell. Understanding it? समझ में ना children? Now tell me, what is the action of lysozyme enzyme? Lysozyme enzyme क्या करेगा? It will dissolve the cell walls of the bacteria. Okay, बच्चों समझ में ना? It will dissolve the cell walls of the bacteria, and the bacteria in which the cell walls are dissolved with lysosome, that type of bacteria it is called as a Lister-form bacteria, or simply you can call it as L-form bacteria. ओके, नाउ टेल मी बच्चों, लिस्टर फॉर्म बैक्टीरिया और एल फॉर्म बैक्टीरिया मतलब क्या है? द बैक्टीरिया विच लॉस्ट देयर सेल वॉल, द बैक्टीरिया which lost their cell wall when they are treated with lysozyme enzyme, and that bacteria it is called as a Lister form bacteria or L form bacteria. चिल्ड्रन समझ में आया? और एक बार बोलना है, मैं सच बोलिए, नो नीड टू लाई। ओके ना, आई टोल्ड ना, यू टोल्ड, आप खुद ही एक्सेप्ट किया ना, आपको समझ में आया। सो नाउ मुझे डाउट है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज एल फॉर्म बैक्टीरिया, टेल मी, मुझे डाउट है, यू क्लैरिफाई माय डाउट नाउ। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज एल फॉर्म बैक्टीरिया, मैंने भूल गया। आई फॉरगॉट साक्षी, मैं भूल गया, मुझे शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी लॉस आ गया, मैं गजनी हो गया। सो लाइस, ओके, यस, वेरी गुड सुष्मिता, यस वेरी गुड प्रणव, यस कल्पेश, क्षितिजा, यस very good, Zay, Sakshi, Vivek, yes, even Akansha also sent her. Okay, now the next one is, बच्चों ज्यादा नहीं हुआ ना, चलेगा ना, एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं ना आप इतना? कैन आई कंटिन्यू बच्चों? और 10 मिनट, ओनली 10 मिनट्स, ओके ना, 10 मिनट्स, ओके। नाउ क्या हुआ? गॉन, importance is gone. Okay बच्चों, please wait, don't go away, please don't go away, I'll just come because importance is not working, so I'll take that image and I'll paste it. Okay, notes नहीं आ रहे ना, just 1 minute. Okay, yes आ गया बच्चों, देखो, एंड इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ गुड न्यूज ऑल फॉर यू बच्चों। नेक्स्ट मंथ वी मे ओपन आवर एकेडमी एंड वी मे मीट डायरेक्टली, हम डायरेक्टली मिल सकते हैं. Okay, because corona cases are drastically going down, so there are chances to open हमारे academy in the month of July or maximum in the month of August. Okay, maximum to the at the max maximum, but hopefully it must be in July only. Okay. Okay, now staining of bacteria. बच्चों what is that? Staining. बच्चों many times I told you, not one time, many times. Staining मतलब coloring. स्टेनिंग मतलब आप कुछ कलर डाल रहे, थोड़ा कलर डाल रहे, then that is called as staining. And for the first time there is a scientist, his name is Graham. Understanding it, this Graham, he started staining the bacteria. That's why the stain का नाम भी it's called as Graham stain. It is called as what बच्चों? Graham stain. Understood? So what he did, he took some bacteria. See, देखो, this is a glass plate. A glass plate में all the bacteria he kept. Okay, and he added a stain called as Graham stain. Which stain बच्चों? Graham stain. And when he add Graham stain, what happened? This after 5 minutes, maybe after 5 minutes, when he observed, some bacteria they converted into purple color, and some bacteria they did not convert it into purple color. Okay, then the bacteria which changed their color to the purple color, that particular bacteria is called as gram positive bacteria, and the bacteria which did not change their color, they are called as gram negative bacteria. समझ में ना चिल्ड्रन? बच्चों समझ में ना? Shall I explain once again? Safety के लिए, safety के लिए very simple बेटा. There is a scientist, his name is Graham. What he took now, he took some bacteria in a glass plate. देखो एक glass plate है, एक glass plate में he added some bacteria. Okay, इधर तक समझ में ना? Now in this plate में he added 2-3 drops of Graham stain. Which stain बच्चों? Graham stain. And after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, what happened? Some bacteria converted into what? Purple color. Some bacteria did not convert into purple color. Okay, the bacteria which is converted into purple color, that means they responded towards Gram stain, and that bacteria is called as gram positive bacteria. And the bacteria which did not change their color to purple, that means they did not respond for grams stain, that means that bacteria is called as gram negative bacteria. बेटा समझ में ना? सच बोलिए, otherwise I'll tell you once again. Okay, now tell me, what do you mean by gram positive bacteria? आप खुद ही बोल रहे हैं ना, आपको समझ में है. So you tell me, what is gram positive bacteria if you really understand? The bacteria which turn to, yeah, no, itna nahi, I brought it. Oh, if you write that is good, Akansha, if you write that is good, but there is no need. Actually to jarur nahi hai. Okay, now the bacteria which responded to gram positive bacteria, the bacteria which is responded to gram stain and converted their color to purple, that is called gram positive. And the bacteria which did not respond to gram stain and they did not turn their color to what? Purple, then that bacteria is called as what? Gram negative bacteria. समझ में ना children समझ में ना? Okay, then what is the difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria? Difference क्या है? gram positive and gram negative का difference क्या है? Basically gram positive bacteria, they are very smooth and little rigid and thick. Okay, their cell wall है ना थोड़ा smooth रहेगा, rigid and thick रहेगा. Whereas gram negative bacteria, the cell wall it is wavy. जैसा cell wall है ना wavy रहेगा. Understanding it? And it is less rigid and thin. पतला रहेगा and थोड़ा less rigid. Understanding it? Less tough. Okay, whereas cell wall is single layered in gram positive bacteria, whereas the cell wall is bilayered in gram negative bacteria. That means 2 layers are present. Whereas gram positive bacteria में the peptidoglycan is present 70 to 80%. Okay, whereas gram negative bacteria में peptidoglycan is present only 10 to 20%. Whereas their cell wall में the teichoic acid is present, whereas gram negative bacteria में teichoic acid is absent. And gram positive bacteria is sensitive to penicillin and they are not sensitive to penicillin. Okay, mesosome, beta, this point I'll explain you later. Now if I tell you don't understand, सच में this point I will tell you later. Okay, sir, later मतलब कब sir? Just after 2 minutes. just after 2 minutes. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. This point mein chhod rahe bachcho, because if I explain now you don't understand. So please understand that I am not leaving, I am postponing this point to 2 minutes, after 2 minutes. Okay, now gram positive bacteria, few are pathogenic bacteria, understanding it, whereas most of the gram negative bacteria are pathogenic, that means they are parasites. Okay, these are the differences between gram positive and gram negative. Okay children, एक्सेप्ट दिस पॉइंट, ये पॉइंट मैं खुद ही एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया, बिकॉज यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड, अननेसेसरली आपको बर्डन हो जाएगा, आपको है ना दिमाग में लोड हो जाएगा. प्लीज वेट फॉर 3 मिनट्स 2 मिनट्स, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस पॉइंट. ये पॉइंट छोड़ के रिमाइनिंग पॉइंट्स मेरे डाउट्स आर देयर बच्चों, ये पॉइंट छोड़ के रिमाइनिंग पॉइंट्स मेरे डाउट्स आर देयर, नो सच. ओके, सच में नो ना. आर now the next one, bile. No, the but a peptidoglycan layers only, the peptidoglycan layers, they are in two, that means one, see, ek layer and or ek layer, ऐसा एक ही peptidoglycan only, but it is present in 2 layers. It is present in what? 2 layers. Sir, pathogenic matlab bachcho, many times I told you, I think you forgot, I think so. Last time also I told you, Sakshi beti, pathogenic matlab disease causing. Pathogenic matlab kya beta? Disease causing. Okay, disease causing. Okay, okay, very nice, very nice. वन सेकंड बच्चों, एक्चुअली इमेज में इमेज डाल रहे, डोंट थिंक दैट आई एम नॉट टीचिंग, जस्ट 1 मिनट 1 मिनट. ओके, एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंस है ना, काम नहीं कर रहे, इसलिए मैं हर एक स्लाइड स्क्रीनशॉट डाल के लेके इधर डाल रहे. ओके, ना लास्ट टॉपिक फॉर टुडे, टुडे आई एम लीविंग यू. ओके, टुडे मेरा मन में मैं ऑलरेडी फ्रेम करके रखा, आई विल एक्सप्लेन ओनली द सेल एनवेलप. सेल एनवेलप में 3 पार्ट्स आर देयर, 3 पार्ट्स में the first part is glycocalyx, you said you understood. The second part is cell wall, just now khatam kiya, and many students they told that sir understood. Okay, now the last point, and today's lecture mein the last topic is nothing but plasma membrane. Okay, now the plasma membrane, if you take, the plasma membrane is thin, patla rahega. Okay, and it is elastic. Elastic matlab kya hai? It can be able to expand also. Okay, whereas selectively permeable, ye pata nahi. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of selectively permeable by any chance? Can anyone? Of course, if you don't tell, I am there, no problem, I am there now, I will tell, but can anyone tell? Yeah, semi permeable, selective permeable, yes, correct one. Okay, yes, it allows some molecules to enter, not all molecules. Yes, who told? Perfect answer here, Razia, perfect answer, excellent. Okay, and even Sushmita also, yes, Sakshi also, and yeah, Jay and Aditya, Arya, yes, very good. It allows some molecules to come inside. Okay, then that is called as selective or semi. You write anything, selective, semi, there is no problem. Okay, where the plasma membrane is thin, elastic and selectively permeable membrane, just present below the cell wall. Cell wall ka just niche you can be able to see the cell membrane. Okay, where the cell membrane, it is made up of lipids and proteins. So it is lipoprotein layer. Which layer बच्चों? Lipoprotein. बच्चों lipoprotein मतलब lipids and proteins दोनों रहेगा. So lipoprotein layer. Which layer बच्चों? Lipoprotein layer. बेटा समझ में ना? बेटा समझ में ना? Lipoprotein. Lipo means what? What? Fats. Okay, and proteins matlab proteins only. Okay, so both lipids and also proteins are present, understanding it. So lipoprotein layer, where in this lipids, the type of lipids that can be seen in the plasma membrane, it is nothing but phospholipid. Which lipid बच्चों? Phospholipid. Where very बच्चों I am telling you the most important point, लिख के रखो, that's it. आपका नीट एग्जाम में पक्का आएगा, इतना important question I am telling you, that is बेटा मान लो this is bacterial cell, just example के लिए मान लो लिख के रखो बच्चों, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, इट विल कम इन योर नीट, दैट्स इट. ओके, सच एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आई एम टेलिंग यू, दैट इज देखो द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द, मान लो दिस इज प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द प्रोकैरियोट एट ए पॉइंट इट शो ए काइंड ऑफ फोल्ड. दिख रहा है ना बच्चों, ए फोल्ड जैसे, दिस इज अ फोल्ड बच्चों, दिख रहे हैं ना ये फोल्ड. I think I'll circle it. Now you will understand. And this fold, it is called as mesosome. It is called as what bachcho? Mesosome. Which is also called as chondrioid. Which is also called as what? Chondrioid. Okay, tell me what is mesosome. If some student asks what is mesosome, then tell me what is your answer. What do you mean by mesosome? If you understand, you tell me. Otherwise, I'll tell. No problem. You don't worry. I am there now. Yes, it is an infold of the plasma membrane of prokaryotes. Okay, it is a infold. It is a folding of the plasma membrane of prokaryote. Okay, now it was first of all identified by James. Okay, James Bond. James Bond, nahi. This is another one. Okay, it was identified by what? James. Okay, now the mesosome, it is more clearly seen in gram positive bacteria than gram negative bacteria. Now I told you na 2 minutes ke baad I'll explain. This is the point. Now you understood bachcho. Now you tell me, if I explained there, will you understand? बोलिए, you आपको mesosome ही पता नहीं, so if I explain, is there any use? That's why few points I'll stop. Okay, if I stop now, there is some logic. Okay, now mesosome is clearly seen in which bacteria? Gram positive or gram negative? Mesosome, it is more clearly seen in gram positive or gram negative? Gram positive. Understanding it? Gram positive में, gram negative में भी दिखता है, but इतना अच्छा से, इतना clearly नहीं दिखता है. Sir, super, you are explaining good, but what is a function? Okay, you told, yeah, infold it is called as mesosome, but ये क्या करेगा बेटा, ये क्या करेगा पता है ना? It will perform respiration. Tell me, it will perform what? Respiration. Understanding it? हमारा बॉडी में तो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज देयर बच्चों, आराम से हम रेस्पिरेशन कर रहे हैं, बट प्रोकैरियोट्स में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज एब्सेंट. अरे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नहीं तो रेस्पिरेशन कौन करेगा? बिना रेस्पिरेशन एनर्जी नहीं है, वो मर जाएगा. See, can anyone tell me? You tell me बच्चों, without respiration can you live? एनर्जी किधर से मिलेगा? एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगा आपको पहले. Okay, बिना एनर्जी no one can live. That's why prokaryotes में all the cell organelles absent, so mitochondria is also absent. That's why this mesosome, it is performing respiration. Sir, इतना है क्या? एक ही function है क्या? No. The mesosome, it also helps in cell division. It also helps in what? Cell division, especially during binary fission, because it is present in the middle point ना, cell में middle में होता है ना, so it cuts the cell into two. Okay, समझ में ना बच्चों? सर इतना है क्या? सिर्फ दो है क्या? नो. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ द मटेरियल्स दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सेल वॉल. सेल वॉल बनाने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए, दैट रिक्वायरमेंट्स है ना, इट विल प्रोड्यूसेस. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? एंड द लास्ट फंक्शन, यू नो, especially in cyanobacteria. In which bacteria बच्चों? Cyanobacteria में it produces a type of pigment molecules called as chromatophores. Pigment molecules मतलब सर ये pigment molecule मतलब क्या है? Color giving molecules. Pigment molecules मतलब क्या? Color giving molecules, which are called as chromatophores. That is the reason why cyanobacteria it looks in green color, blue-green color. Understood बच्चों? So these are the functions of the mesosome. Functions of mesosome. Any doubts are there, children? Do you have any doubts in the functions of mesosome? Sir, extensions. Extensions. What is this extension? Which extension, beta? Which extension, Sakshi? I did not understood your question. I'm sorry. What do you mean by extension? Okay. Your membranous extension. हाँ ये सब बोलना है ना. सिर्फ extension बोलेगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? No problem. देखो, दिस इज अ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है ना. समटाइम्स इट शो along with this is a mesosome है ना. along with that it shows some more extensions like this in which you can be able to see the chromatophores, and these chromatophores are the color giving pigments, so that some bacteria it appears in different colors. अभी समझ में है ना साक्षी? साक्षी बेटी समझ में है ना? नो एक ही रहे, एक ही वन 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 बेटा विवेक वन. Okay, with this today's class I am stopping. Okay, today's class many doubts are there children? Any doubt you please ask, any doubt? No? Okay sir, how does it look like? It looks like a fold. How does it look like? मतलब a fold जैसे a fold, it's look like a fold बेटा. okay, for example ये मेरा शर्ट है ना मान लो this is folded. देखो ये fold जैसे दिखता है, fold जैसे दिखता है, इतने और कुछ नहीं. सर ग्लूकोज एंड गैलेक्टोज तो मोनोसैकेराइड होता है क्या? या they are both are polysaccharides and okay, and they are what I call monosaccharides on. yes चलो बेटो, विल मीट tomorrow's क्लास में हम मिलेगा. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल एंड सेंड मी एनी डाउट यू हैव, आई विल आंसर आफ्टर 4:30. आपको जब भी डाउट है ना तुरंत ग्रुप में डालो, आई विल आंसर. ओके बाय.